So I still haven't decided on an intro, so I want to change my hair a little bit, but not really sure what I'm going to do. I have an idea, but I just thought it would be like a fun idea to film it and see what happens. This could be a very good idea, or it could turn out like a bag of shite. So, either way, something's about to happen. What is this? So for the past year or so, like my hair's gotten so long, like the longest it's been in years. And now I'm over it. Now I don't want it that long anymore. I just want to cut it. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to just give you a warning that my hair is so fucking greasy that when I take this bobbin out, it's quite possibly going to stay like this. See? Now there is hairspray in it too and some dry shampoo, so I'm not that much of a dirtbag. But like, I have washed myself, by the way. I just haven't washed my hair in like 4 days. There is like hairspray and dry shampoo, so it's gross, but I don't care. After getting, where's my brush? So I got a tangle teaser. This is not my usual tangle teaser I'm looking for. I have like the actual tangle teaser, but I don't know where it is right now. So I have another one. I think this is Bellamy or Bombay or anyone that begins with a B. I don't know, but this is like another like tangle teaser-ish brush, which like does the same job. But I do love my tangle teaser, so I'm kind of sad that I can't find it. By the way, if you don't know what a tangle teaser is, then you need to. If you have any way like long hair, or you wear wigs, or you like, if your hair gets like a little bit knotted, or if you have like little kids and they have long hair, tangle teasers are the best thing ever. They take out like every knot in your hair, doesn't hurt, it's the best thing ever. But anyway, I just wanted to brush that out because it's such a fuzzy mess. So this is how long it is right now. Now it looks fried as f, but it's actually not. It's just the way my hair dries when I don't blow dry it and then put it in a bun. It goes all like fuzzy like this. I know this is still not like long for some people, but it's the longest my hair has been in a long time. But I'm kind of over it because I'd never wear it down like this. As you can see, like it's quite fine. Like my hair, especially the ends, it goes really fine. So 90% of the time I just like throw it up in a bun anyway. I'm not going to go too short, but I'm thinking more so, I had it like here before and I liked it. So maybe I'll cut that off. Because it's just, as I said, it's just like, nah. So I usually would go to my hairdresser and get her to do this, but she's on maternity leave, so yeah, I'm just going to chop it off right now. Like, I don't care really how short it is, but once it's long enough that I can still throw it up in a bun. Because you already know that a bun, I need my bun. I live in my bun. So, I know this isn't the proper way to cut hair, but this is how I used to always cut my hair. And it works. Just because my hair is so fine, I kind of get away with being able to do this. I also trained as a hairdresser for years, so I kind of have somewhat of an idea what I'm doing. Maybe I'll cut here first. Doing it, doing it, doing it, doing it. Done. I will fix this after I blow dry it, but for now I just kind of wanted to take like the ends off instead of like wasting colour on the ends when I'm not even going to be putting it there. And another reason as well why I wanted to cut it is because see all these little bits? See how short these all are? Because these all snapped because I play with my hair a lot and they all broke off. So it's just too much of a difference. So at least if I cut it shorter, it will all kind of blend together and then it will all grow together. It's only hair. It will grow back. So I'm just going to take a bit from this side and this bit here and bring them together, and then I'm going to just cut this bit. So now we have a guide on this side for the same length. See, once I can tie my hair up like this, yeah. So I probably can go shorter, but I actually like this length here. So I'm just going to add like a little bit of purple to it. It's like a purpley silvery colour-ish. It will probably initially be more on the purple side, but after probably 2 washes it goes silver with a hint of purple, which I love. And I'm going to use the Arctic Fox Girls Night. I'm just going to put some in a bowl. I usually But I usually put like a good chunk in a bowl. I can't really turn it that much because I'll spill it everywhere. I swear, the smell of Arctic Fox is so delicious. It smells like bubble gum. And it's also really conditioning in your hair, so anytime after like I wash it out, my hair is the softest ever. So it's not damaging, it doesn't damage your hair. All it does is tones the colour. There's no bleach or anything like that in it. Yeah, I should wear gloves, but I don't know where there is any. Oh! I found some gloves. This is gonna be a challenge. So all I'm doing is just gonna section the hair and then just put the colour all over. And just make little sections like a hot cross bun. Makes it easier then to, you know, get it as even as possible. So when you have your section, all you do then is take sections in rows like this. So I always start with the roots just because it's easier, and then sometimes it gives it that ombre effect as well, which is kind of cool. So my roots will be a bit more purple, and then it will fade down to like a silvery purpley grey, which I really like. So yeah, you just keep doing this all the way. Okay, now I've all the roots done, and now I'm just going to start by putting it on the ends. So I like to just get a big chunk of it on. It's obviously easier doing this in the bathroom than it is doing it here or in the shower where I usually do it. Just rubbing that all on. Just mushing it through. Like so. So I'm going to leave this for about 10 minutes, go quickly eat a little bit of sushi because I am hungry, and then I'm going to rinse it, and then I'm going to come back. That was not fun for anybody involved. I hate washing my hair over the sink. We have a bath and a shower here, and both bathrooms, they don't have any pulley thing, so you can't like pull it down and like wash it over the bath. So I had to wash it over the kitchen sink because that had like a pull thing on it. And I hate it. I hate it so much. I'm such a weirdo when it comes to like water and wet and stuff like that. Like I hate, like if I have any wet on me, if there was like a bit of your top that was like damp, I would have to take that off me like straight away. I couldn't keep it on me because I would freak the fuck out. And that's why I hate washing my hair over the sink, because you get all drippy, it gets in your ears, it gets everywhere. Like when I'm in the shower and that, I'm fine, but when I have to do it like this, ooh, it's just something really weird that I hate, and I've always hated it since I was a kid. Like even when I wash my face at night and wash all my makeup off and like water drips down my elbows, like it freaks me out. I hate it so much, and I don't know why, but I just hate it. I'm just gonna use some of this L'Oreal Ever Pure Elixir. It's just like a leave-in conditioner. Okay, so we're just gonna dry this now. So I just dried it straight because I want to kind of just like taper in around here and just like take the bulk out of the end here, because I don't like that. I'll probably like chop into it a little bit more. So I'm just gonna do the sides. Because remember I said some of these had snapped, so I'm just going to blend them in somewhat and take that bulk off. So I'm just going to cut into the ends here because it's just way too blunt and probably not straight. So this just takes the like bluntness away. So I'm just going to put a little wave in it. Just a little wave like this. So it's just basically putting a little bend and then just letting it go. So you're just kind of putting a bend in like the middle part of the hair. So not a curl, so you don't want to curl the ends, it's just more like of a wave. See? Of some sort, who knows what's about to happen. So with the top ones, I just pick random sections. Just gonna do a little bit in here. No, that looks a lot better. This bit here needs to be done though. See, these little bits are just so straight. I'm just gonna go back in and just clamp and go. So to avoid leaving like any like lines, you know sometimes when you when you clamp it onto the hair, you can get like a line. Just don't ever like stop this on the hair. So let me get another bit. Say this bit here. So as I'm going to clamp, I keep moving. The minute I clamp, it's moving, 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 let go. That way, you don't have any lines on your hair. So always keep this moving. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna just like mess around with it. Try it a few different ways. At least it's long enough it will still fit into a bun. That makes me happy. So yeah, I'm glad I chopped that off again. And now I feel like I am me again. I just wasn't into the long hair anymore. I think short hair is just better, easier. I still have my extensions if I want to clip them in. But overall, I just think this is just an easier look for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will catch you in the next one.